Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add adblock to your Google Chrome. So what you want to do is just write into Google adblock, and you'll have the third link here, chromegoogle.com. Okay, and add to Chrome, add extension, and right away, let's say that installing adblock, done. Okay, you can donate to who created adblock. And now when I'm going on YouTube, for example, and let's go to the library, I have a song here, and you see no ad. And this is like everywhere where you go, you won't see any ad at all. So that's pretty cool. And that's kind of it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you and goodbye.